with clay? Should we make something? They even gave you an apron? They gave you an apron? What are we going to do with it? Should we use the rolling pin and make something with it? Look. We can flatten it out. She likes to rip it. And there's Elias. Okay. She's being a little chill this morning. I don't know, maybe it's just new surroundings or... Emily!
Hello, Emily.
Huh?
Dame tu otra mano para limpiar. Maybe that's what we haven't tried finger pizza.
I haven't done it.
I have, I bought a bunch of them, and that was my plan this summer, and we got it on